mag-alala. It's applicable to any season, any occasion. After Christmas, magba-Valentine's. Ibili nyo na, January pa lang para ready na kayo pang regalo sa inyong mga Valentino at mga Valentina. Alright. So, let me continue by introducing myself kasi some of you don't know me yet, especially dun sa mga bago, sa mga guests natin. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good business coaches here. And I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker by profession. However, hindi ko na po ginagawa yan. More on Live Good na ako. And napagdaanan ko na po lahat for 8 years, naging empleyado ko, naging OFW ako for 4 years, and then I've been an entrepreneur for 23 years. Yes. Tapos yung 12 dun sa 23 years na yon as realtor. Alright? Ngayon, ang dami ko na pong nagawa pero wala pong nakapagpatupad na mga pangarap ko. Yes, nakakabuhay siya ng pamilya. Nakapagpaaral ako ng mga anak ko, wala namang problema. Medyo gipit nga lang talaga. Kasi puro active income yan eh. At saka talagang inaasahan mo yung mga yung kung ano yung pinasok mo, yun lang yung makukuha mo rin, ano. However, when I found Live Good, when I learned about Live Good, syempre inaral natin 'yan, ano, tapos inalam natin ng gusto. At nakita ko talaga napakalaki ng potential in terms of earnings. Dito nakita ko talagang matutupad yung mga pangarap ko. And true enough, here I am. Wala pa tayong 1 taon sa Live Good yet. Unti-unti na pong natutupad yung mga pangarap natin. Alright? But that's about me. However, this presentation is not about me. Yan po yung story ako. And I have a wonderful story for you. Story ako. However, let me tell you, they're not all successful. Pero yun na nga, despite all the struggles, nakita po natin na nagkaroon tayo ng magandang opportunity to which eto na po tayo ngayon. We're doing it. And we're praying to God na sana ma-share natin sa maraming tao. Okay? By the way, this presentation is not about me. This presentation is about you. Kasi alam ko meron kanya-kanya tayong struggles eh. Lahat tayo talagang kahit papaano meron nararamdamang struggle sa buhay. Okay? Because this may be you eh. Pwedeng single mom ka. Tapos hindi magkasya yung kinikita mo for your expenses. Paano mo pa pag-aaralin yung anak mo? Diba? Or OFW ka, every time na umaalis ka sa airport, grabe yung eksena dyan. Every time na umaalis ka, nangungulila ka. Pati yung family mo na iniiwan mo rito, definitely nangungulila din. Diba? And I honor those who are OFW, talagang sakripisyong ginagawa nyo para sa pamilya nyo, grabe. However, I have another option for you na pwede kayong hindi na umalis ng bansa, yet kikitain nyo or mas malaki pa ang kikitain nyo sa current na kinikita nyo ngayon. Okay? Manood lang kayo hanggang dulo ng presentation. Or pwedeng nagsisimula ka pa lang sa career mo and then napansin mo you're overworked, underpaid. Tapos, alam mo yon, since bata ka, you want significance in your life, hindi ka nga mabuhay ng sweldo mo significance pa. Diba? If a brighter future is what you're looking for, makinig ka hanggang dulo ng presentation kasi makikita mo yung sagot dito. Or maybe, nasa golden age ka na, either retiring or talagang retired na. And ang worry mo naman, paano na yung gastusin mo? Kasi yung trabaho mo lang ang titigil Yung gastos tuloy-tuloy yan Saan ka nakukuha ng pambayad dun sa mga gastusin mo? Sa gobyerno? Well, good luck, di ba? Sa family, but remember, they also have their own family. Sana hindi natin agawin yung para sa pamilya nila para lang matulungan tayo. Or much worse, baka sa charity ka umasa. Wag naman sana. Well, if you can relate to any of these struggles, I mean, talagang, or if you have another struggle, baka naman dati kang networker, na pasong-paso ka na ayaw mo na talaga. I want you to listen to the end of this presentation kasi Live Good is for you. Because Live Good is the solution to all your struggles. Yes, I'm telling you this. Yung mga pictures kanina na mga mukhang miserable, pag nag-live good kayo, ito magiging pictures nyo. Lahat nakangiti, lahat masaya kasi hindi nyo na pinoproblema yung pera. Wala na kayong stress. Okay? So ano ba ino-offer ni Live Good? What Live Good offers is passive income for life. And I'm telling you, yung iba pinapangako in 3 to 5 years, magiging maginhawa na yung buhay mo. Dito nakita ko in less than 1 year, unti-unting gumiginhawa yung buhay ng mga talagang leaders na nagtatrabaho. And that can happen to you as well. Kasi pantay-pantay tayo dito. Diba? Talagang kung ano yung pinasok mong effort dito, yun yung magiging compensation mo. Alright? So, stick till the end of the presentation. Listen carefully. Ibang-iba tong maririnig nyo ngayon, di ba? And I'm telling you talagang at the end of this presentation, makikita nyo yung value ng Live Good. Okay? O baka sabihin nyo, Mon, lahat naman pinapangako yung ganyan. Passive income, financial freedom, time freedom. Paano naman naiba si Live Good? So what makes Live Good different? Dito po sa Live Good, no overpriced products. Pero hindi po namin sinacrifice ang quality. Napakataas ng quality ng mga produkto natin, yet napakababa, napakamura po. In fact, dito, we're selling our products at almost manufacturing price. Okay? No huge cash out to join. Sa ibang company, sa huli binabanggit to kasi talagang kailangan i-hype ka muna, i-excite ka muna. Kung gustong-gusto mo na, biglang sasabihin sa'yo, o to join, kailangan mo maglabas ng 60,000 kasi bibili ka ng package ng mga products. Dito po hindi. Hindi namin kayo pipilitin bumili ng package, ni hindi namin kayo pipilitin bumili ng produkto. Kung ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na to join Live Good, you only need $49.95. Magkano yan in peso? Wala pa pong 3,000 pesos yan. At ang good news, yung $40 dyan, one time lang. Meaning, the following month, hindi mo na naman kailangan ng malaking auto ship para mag-remain member. Ang kailangan mo lang dito, yung $9.95 subscription. Alright? Magkano yon? 580 pesos. Makapagtipid ka ng 20 pesos ang araw. At the end of the month, may sukli ka pang 20. Pambili mo ng korneto. Alright? And here, since we are not product-centered, yun nga, hindi namin kayo pipilitin bumili ng produkto, hindi natin kailangan talaga magbenta ng produkto. Kaya dito, yung pag-rank up, hindi based sa volume. Hindi na, wala nang points dito, wala nang personal volume, group volume, wala na po lahat yan. Okay? In fact, dito, sa dali mag-rank up, 36% nagra-rank up on their first week. Sumali ngayon, the following week, nag-rank up na to bronze. Yes, may mga ranking tayo dito kasi the company is recognizing your effort. And the more effort you give, talagang the higher you rank up or the higher you get promoted. Alright? Ito, nabanggit ko na kanina, hindi tayo product-centered. So, no selling, no quota. Kasi hindi ka rin pinabili ng hindi ka rin pinabili ng package eh. Di ba? That's why dito, you only buy what you want and when you want to. Kung gusto mo bumili ngayon, bibili ka. Next month, hindi mo feel bumili, okay lang. Diba? Or ayaw mo talagang bumili, fine. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda ng produkto natin, talagang gawin yung kumuha, gawin yung bumili, gamitin nyo yung ating products. In fact, kami, we make sure na hindi kami nawawalan ng mga products. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Bago pa maubos, umu-order na kami. Okay? And here, wala tayong back to zero. Yung mga sanay na sa industriya natin, alam lahat to eh. Ito yung pahirap na binibigay sa kanila ng ibang companies eh. Dito, babayaran ka dun sa effort na binigay mo. Magbigay ka ng effort, may compensation ka. Unlike sa iba, talagang may qualification pa. Tapos lahat ng production mo this month, kalimutan mo na yan. Pagpalo ng susunod na buwan. Kasi magbaback to zero ka. Dito hindi. Tuloy-tuloy lang po. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung paglaki mo. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung paglaki ng organization nyo. And as I discuss, makikita nyo kung bakit ganon. Alright? And that's the reason why ito, isang taon na tayo. Actually, medyo outdated na to. We are over 930,000 paid members in Live Good. And I'm telling you, before the year ends, mahihit po natin yung 1 million mark. Kasi yun yung target ni Ben eh. Yun yung target ng CEO natin. Dapat in 1 year, mahit natin yung 1 million members. And we're going to do that. Okay? Now, the reason why ang dami talagang sumasali, ang dami nakakakita ng value kasi nakita nila pinagaan na yung pagbi-business sa kay Live Good. Ginawa ng simple. Nakita nila na this is a revolution. Things are changing already. Okay, now ang tanong, are you ready for a revolution? Right? Now, that's the overview of what you're going to expect in this presentation. Pero better yet, para mas lalo nyo maintindihan ano si Live Good, bakit ka magli-Live Good, how Live Good differs from other company, listen sa ating CEO. Siya mismo mag-i-explain kung gaano kaganda si Live Good. Alright? So let me turn over the floor to our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. And that's where we're going, to the top. Okay? Before I continue, no, may nagsasabing mahina raw yung boses ko. Pwede po bang pa-confirm kung naririnig na ako ngayon? Medyo nilapit ko na yung mic ko. Okay naman po? Are we good? Are we good? Can you hear me right? All right. Thank you, Oppo. All right. Thank you po. So good. Since malakas na yung volume ko, all right. Mabalik tayo kay Live Good. Kaya po talagang ibang-iba si Live Good because we have adopted another business model. Kaya iba na tayo. We are not traditional network marketing company na product-centered. And because we have adopted another business model, kaya po nating ibaba yung presyo ng mga napakataas na quality ng mga products natin. Okay? Kasi hindi tayo kumikita sa products. Hindi kumikita yung company sa products. Kumikita po yung company dun sa membership fee natin. Alright? At tayo rin, dun din tayo kikita. Okay? Because Live Good is a membership club. And not just another membership club, it's a membership club that pays. Alright? If you're not so familiar with membership club, pakita ko lang po yung mga popular na membership club dyan. Ayan, meron po tayo. Ayan. Si Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime, actually, Amazon started 1995 pa selling books, ano? Pero ngayon, talagang global na sila, selling everything. Ngayon, meron silang subscription for members only, yung Amazon Prime, whereby the members get to, kailangan magbayad ng $14.99 a month or $139 per year. Ngayon, meron silang mga perks as member. Unang-una dyan, yung free shipping. Okay, free taka fast shipping. Yan lang yung mga perks nila. Pero look at this, 161 million members are doing that. Kasi nakikita nila may value eh. May value yung pagbabayad nila ng subscription. Pretty much the same with Sam's Club, $100 naman per year. Pero yung members niya, 47 million members. Okay? Tapos si Netflix, I believe you know Netflix. Kilala niyo si Netflix. Diyan ka makakapanood ng mga magagandang movies nang paulit-ulit. Yan yung value na marireceive mo when you become a member of Netflix. And when you pay their subscription of $9.99, $15.49, or $19.99 per month. Diba? Kasi yun yung natatanggap mo eh. Depende dun sa package na bibilin mo. Alright? And look at this. Because nakita nga ng mga tao yung value, Netflix has over 232 million members. Okay? And if any of these members hindi makapagbayad ng kanilang subscription, tanggal yung access nila dun sa movies. Tanggal yung benefits nila. Ganyan po ang way ng mga subscription ng mga membership club. Okay? And then Disney Prime is also the same. Disney Premium is also the same as Netflix. Yun nga lang, mas focus sila sa mga Disney shows, of course. $10.99 naman yan monthly or $109.99 per year. They have 42 million members. Nakita nyo, milyonan ang miyembro dito sa mga membership club. Siguro if I can compare LiveGood sa mga membership club, pinakamalapit na si Costco. Si Costco, wala lang tayo dito sa Pilipinas pero very sikat yan sa North America, Canada, European countries as well. Si Costco, ano naman yan? Physical store. Now, what they do, charge nila ng $120 per year yung kanilang member just to be able to access or to go inside their store. Pagpasok nila sa loob, yung mga produktong mabibili nila doon, they'll be able to buy it at wholesale. Meaning, napakababa ng presyo. Okay? Kumita ba sila doon sa mga produkto? Probably, pero napakaliit. Pero yung kita nila galing sa mga members, sa mga subscription ng mga members. Kasi meron silang 123 million members already. Okay? Now, kung titignan nyo, parang ang liit ng mga subscription, parang kayang-kaya. Imagine $14.99, wala pang 800 pesos yan sa Pilipinas. Pero may mga benefits ka matatanggap. Paano naman kikita yung company? Let me show you kung magkano kinikita ng mga membership tsaka subscription company. Pinakamaganda na siguro example si Zoom. Sa dami ng gumagamit kay Zoom, annually po, ang kinikita ni Zoom, $4.46 billion. Billion dollars po ha, hindi million. Billion dollars ang kitaan dito. Si Netflix, nakita nyo na kanina, 238 million subscribers, umabot na po ng $31.6 billion ang kanilang kita. Taon-taon. Okay, si Costco, 123 million subscribers. From membership pa lang kumita na siya ng $4.2 billion annual revenue. Okay? So ganyan po kalaki. Ganyan kalaki kumita ang mga subscription company, ang mga membership company. Bakit ko sinasabi to? Kasi po LiveGood is a subscription company. LiveGood is a membership company. And we're not only just another membership. Kasi itong mga to, subukan yung magsama ng kaibigan, tapos pag nag-member din yung kaibigan nyo, palagay nyo babayaran kayo ni Costco, ni Netflix, ni Zoom? Hindi po. However, here in LiveGood, you get paid pag ni-refer mo si LiveGood sa mga kaibigan mo kasi LiveGood is a membership club that pays. In fact, you can earn money as a club member of LiveGood whether or not you refer other members. Simply subscribe. But I'm not really recommending that. Kasi napakaganda ni LiveGood. Napakalaking blessing ni LiveGood. And meron ng Chinese proverbs na sinabi, di ba? If you receive a great blessing, it is your obligation to share it to as many as you can. Kaya talagang i-share natin para hindi lang ikaw ang mabless. Marami tayong mabless through LiveGood. Okay? So ito, pakita ko lang how LiveGood started. Actually, LiveGood started in December 13, 2022. Yes, katatapos lang po ng ating anniversary. And right now, because it's our anniversary month, meron tayong promo so that we would be able to hit 1 million members nga before the year ends. And we are located in Jupiter, Florida, USA. So if you're looking for any documentation about LiveGood, wag po tayo dito sa atin sa Pilipinas maghanap. Pumunta po tayo ng Florida at doon tayo maghanap. Okay, you don't need to go to the US to be able to do that. All you need to do is go to their website. Meron pong website si State of Florida. At doon po masasearch nyo yung mga existing corporation of Florida. At doon makikita nyo si LiveGood. Alright? Ayan po. Yan yung mga documentation. Dinownload ko na para ipakita ko sa inyo. So we are a legitimate company. We're based in the US. All documentations you need for legitimacy makikita nyo po sa website ng State of Florida. Alright? Now, who are the people behind LiveGood? Yung narinig nyo kanina, yung nagsasalita, si Ben Glinsky yun. He is our CEO. And what we love most about Ben is that he leads by example. His focus is on helping others. And Yes, totoo po. Kasi kung maririnig niyo siyang nagsasalita during our meeting sa Zoom, talagang makikita niyo na talagang yung concern niya is talagang para maging successful tayo, mga affiliate members. He has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement space. Ben knows how to help people win. Ano po yung importansya niyan? Ba't ko sinabi? Kasi po if somebody is on hand in their business, alam niya yung mga pahirap sa mga members, alam niya yung ayaw ng mga members. And that's why si Live Good, ginawa niya na pong napakasimple kasi gusto niya lahat tayo talaga magtagumpay dito sa Live Good. Okay? And what he did, nag-form siya ng grupo. Group of champions in their own fields. Number 1, si Doc Ryan Goodkin. Doc Ryan Goodkin is our product formulator. He's our director for product development. He has a doctorate in pharmacy and a degree in science and nutrition. What I love most about Doc Ryan is yung sinabi niya. I don't create products to sell. I create products to use and for my family to use. Bakit ko nagustuhan yan? Kasi wala naman pong taong magbibigay sa pamilya niya ng ikasasama ng pamilya niya. Di po ba? Ang maganda nito, napakataas na ng quality ng ating mga products. Napaka-safe pa po. Alright? And then Lisa Goodkin naman, Lisa Goodkin is more of a wellness coach. Ang approach niya, holistic. She is our Director of Product Education. Ang maganda po niyan, kung mapapakinggan niyo siya sa Zoom, hindi lang po yung products ang tinuturo niya, pati proper exercise, sleeping habit. Kasi ang passion naman niya, maging healthy lahat ng tao. Alright. And then Nader Kazan. Nader Kazan is a legend in our industry. He's been there for like 20, 30 years already. In fact, 1998 po. I don't know, maybe some of you hindi pa pinapanganak noon. Pero 1998, he was already training leaders sa industriya natin. Ganyan po, ganyang katatag yan tao yan. And he has seen it all. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting. Ang maganda niya, nung pinform nila si Live Good, tinanggal niya na yung bad, ugly, and disgusting, tapos yung good, lalo pa niyang in-enhance. Alright? I want you to check the mission of Live Good. Check this out. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Kasi nakita nila lahat ng tao ngayon ang concerned health. Diba? Kaso hindi lahat bumibili ng health products. Bakit? Kasi namamahalan dati. The traditional way dictates that. Talagang health products mahal yan. Diba? Pero gusto pong baguhin lahat yan. Nakita nyo yung concern sa tao? Yung company very concerned sa tao. Actually, sa mission statement pa lang, to help people. Doon pa lang Doon pa lang alam mo na you're in the right company. Okay, because that is change and it's time to make a change. Okay? So at this point, I would like to show you some of our products. Actually, ito na yung complete products natin. We have over 20 premium quality, life-changing health products. And yes, it is really life-changing. Kasi kung dati hindi ka concerned sa health mo, binabaliwala mo, once you start using the product, talagang magbabago paningin mo, pananaw mo sa kalusugan. And you would continuously use the product and you would even go to exercise, talagang aayusin mo yung sarili mo. Alright? Raw ingredients pa lang, napaka-quality na kasi it came from the most pristine location in the planet. Ano ibig sabihin niya? Kung saan magandang tumubo yung plants, doon natin hina-harvest. World-class manufacturing facilities, made in USA lahat, and approved by GMP. If you don't know GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, i-search nyo po. Hindi basta-basta nag-approve ng mga companies, pero tayo po approve tayo ng GMP. Lab tested for purity and potency, certificate of analysis. Yan po yung ating way of showing transparencies. This is a certificate conducted by a third party para walang bias. Pinapakita po kung ano talaga yung laman ng ating mga products and how good our quality, the quality of the products are. Okay? And we're available in over 200 countries worldwide. Not that we have warehouses in each country. Drop shipping po kasi tayo. We do everything online. Once you order online, paid for it, ipapak agad yan, tapos isi-ship na yan. At ang maganda niyan, we're partnered with some of the most reliable courier companies in the market. Correct? Talagang dumarating po. In fact, pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na may products ako dito. Galing pong Florida yon, dumating sa amin. At tuloy-tuloy po, wala pa pong sumasablay na order ko na hindi dumating. Alright, don't take my word na good quality yung ating product. Check this out, yung nasa kaliwa upper portion, lahat po yan, those are third parties, lahat sila nagsacertify ng mga products natin. Nilagay nila yung logo nila sa ating mga products just to say that our product is of good quality. Alright? And just to show you yung certificate of analysis na sinabi ko, ganyan po itsura niyan. As I've mentioned, third party po yan para walang bias, pero makikita nyo kung ano yung yung laman ng mga products natin and how good the quality is. Okay? At ang maganda nito, paulit-ulit kong sinabing napakaganda ng quality ng mga products natin kasi hindi talaga natin sinacrifice yung quality. Yet, napakababa ng presyo natin. In fact, as I would describe it, almost manufacturing price. Kasi nga hindi na tayo product-centered. And at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Kasi dito po sa Live Good, we're not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products. Alright? Traditionally po ganun kasi talaga. Yung mga products, let's say yung isang produkto minanufacture at $10, pag binenta po yan ng company, nasa $100 yan, $120. Ganun po sila mag-jack up ng price. 10 times, 12 times. Bakit? Kasi doon nila kinukuha yung mga overhead nila pambayad doon sa office nila, sa country managers, sa mga staff, even those mga high earners sa compensation plan. Yung mga pinapalakpakan sa ibang companies, yung mga nakaka-receive ng 1 million, 1.5 million monthly, palagay nyo saan kinukuha yan? Sa mga products. And to be able to move the products, ang ginagawa ng company, pinipilit yung mga distributor bumili ng products. Alright? And that's what we call price gouging. And ginagawa po yan traditionally before. Ginagawa talaga yan. In fact, there are companies that are still doing that. Okay? And Live Good wants to put an end to that, dun sa price gouging. Ayan ka po sa illustration. Si David and Goliath yan. If you know the story of the biblical story of David and Goliath, David with the sling and a stone, pinatumba niya si Goliath. Napakaliit niya as compared kay Goliath. Si David parang si Live Good kasi maliit pa tayo We're just 1 year in existence. Si Goliath, yan yung mga giant companies, mga 30 years na, 25 years na, yet they're practicing price gouging. Okay? Since we want to put an end to that, ayan, nararamdaman na nila yung presence natin. Kasi ayaw nila yun na merong isang company magbababa ng presyo. Kasi kinakatakot nila yun. Saan na sila ngayon kukuha ng nung kita nila, nung pambayad nila doon sa mga top earners nila. Kaya nga sabi ni Nodor Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. And that's really happening dun sa traditional way. Iilan lang talaga na yung namamayagpag. Dito po, lahat tayo kikita. At pag ginawa mo yung negosyo, yayaman ka. And you don't really need to wait for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Dito po, in a matter of 1 year, marami na pong yumaman. Marami na pong napayaman ng Live Good. Alright. Just to show you some of our products, ito yung favorite ko dyan. Favorite ko tong product na to, si Super Reds, kasi para siya sa cardiovascular system or our blood circulation. Maganda kasi sa blood circulation natin, pag maganda yung blood circulation natin, na-deliver yung nutrients and oxygen sa lahat ng parte ng katawan natin. Isa siyang vasodilator. Alright? I want you to have particular attention. Put your attention dun sa prices ng mga kalaban. Imagine, Ito na yung pinakamalapit pero in terms of quality, mas maganda pa rin yung sa atin. $69.99, $39.95. Sa Live Good, pag member ka, $18 lang ibabayad mo. Kung hindi ka member, pwede ka pa rin bumili pero retail price, $24. Mas mababa pa rin compared dun sa mga competitors or sa mga ibang brands, di ba? And then ito pa si collagen. Collagen peptides, maganda yan. Pampabata naman yan kasi what it does, pinapaganda yung quality ng skin natin, pinapatibay yung bones natin, yung mga joints natin, inaayos niyan. At ang maganda sa collagen natin, yung ibang collagen kasi collagen lang talaga laman eh. Yung ating collagen peptide, sinamahan pa ni Doc Ryan ng tatlong ingredients na talagang nagko-complement lalo nung effect ng collagen sa katawan natin. O di ba mas maganda? Tignan niyo yung presyo, $79.96, $69.95. Sa atin, $27.95 if you're a member. And if you buy it in retail, mababa pa rin, $34.95. Pero ba't mo bibilin in retail? Mag-member ka lang, magkano yung membership? $9.95. Mag-member ka lang, makukuha mo na at member's price. Halos makuha mo siya at manufacturing price. Diba? So, yung mga wise talagang nagme-member muna before they buy products. Alright. Factor 4 is again another one of the best products of Live Good kasi anti-inflammatory naman to. Lahat po ng mga sakit natin nagsisimula yan sa pamamaga. Nagiging chronic o tumatagal yung pamamaga, ayan, minsan nagli-lead to cancer or other diseases. Okay? And factor 4, napakaganda po. If you can see the ingredients, if you can read at the dun sa description niya, dun sa ating website, makikita nyo napakaganda ng mga pinagsama-samang ingredients ng factor 4. Look at the prices. $58.42, $56 for the other company. Sa atin, pag member ka, $18.50. Pag retail mo bibilin, $24.95. Mababa pa rin. Di ba? Ito ba? We come up with a package na napakaganda. Essential po. Lahat ng kailangan ng katawan natin nandito na. May super reds, super greens, factor 4, D3K2 para sa puso din, ultra magnesium. Did you know that over 300 chemical reactions in our body ang responsible dyan si magnesium? So kung halimbawa may problema ka or something's wrong with your body, most likely deficient ka sa magnesium. Okay? And multivitamins, pinagsama-sama, ilang produkto yan? 6. Magkano po? Members price, $89.95 lang. Retail price, $129.95. At ang maganda nito, free shipping yan. Wala ka na idadagdag dyan. Pag in-order mo yan, ang babayaran mo $89.95, dadating po sa doorstep nyo yan. Alright? Now, hindi ko na iisa-isahin lahat ng produkto natin, di ba? Kasi over 20 yun, maubusan tayo ng oras. If you want to learn more about our products, you just go to livegood.com. Pindutin nyo po yung products. Tapos, in every products, may button na learn more. Pindutin nyo yun, mababasa nyo yung description ng products natin. In fact, how to take them, nandun din. Talagang tuturuan kayo. Napakaganda po ng ating mga websites. Alright. So maybe you're asking how to become a member kasi nakita mo, ang baba nga naman ng babayaran pag member ka. Simple lang po. You just have to pay the subscription of $9.95 monthly. Okay? And then if you want na maka-further discount, you pay for 1 year, $99.95. So how do you register? Balikan nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo dito sa Zoom na to or nagbigay ng Zoom link nyo. Hingin nyo po yung sponsors link. Doon po kayo pwedeng mag-register. And once you become a member, you'll save up to 75% or more compared to products in other direct selling company. The moment you become a member, kaya nyo na po magpaka-healthy. Hindi nyo na po paghihinayangan maging malusog. Okay? Pero as member po, ang matatanggap nyo lang dyan, ang pinaka-value na marireceive nyo are the discounts or the savings. Pero napakagandang value na po niyan. Imagine, nakita nyo naman yung comparison ng different products. Ang laki ng masisave nyo dito if you're a member of Live Good. And remember, $1 save is $1 earned. Kasi yung savings mo, pwede mo lang pambayad ng bills yan eh. Pwede mo lang idagdag sa matrikula ni Junior yan, di ba? So talagang dyan pa lang, kita ka na. However, would you like to earn more? Yun yung tanong ko. In fact, ang tanong dito is, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung or more, tsaka yung per month. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yan once you start earning. Alright? So if you're interested to learn more, I want you to talagang, kung medyo kanina may distraction ka pa dyan, iniisip mo pa kung ano kakainin mo, kalimutan mo na muna ngayon at makinig ka ng gusto. Kasi ngayon, pag-uusapan na natin kung paano kumita dito. Kung paano kumita sa Live Good. So, member discount. Pag gusto mong kumita, you become an affiliate. You enter the affiliate program. So you become an affiliate member. Ano naman yung affiliate? Okay, just to give you an idea what an affiliate is. Si Live Good po kasi, hindi yan nag-advertise. Hindi yan, wala kang makikitang advertisement yan sa TV, sa radio, sa movies, sa billboards, or even the internet. Wala pong ads talaga yan. Ngayon, instead na magbayad sila sa mga mamahaling artista, tsaka sa mga airtime sa TV, ang ginawa nila, they come up with an affiliate program. Ang advertisement nila is through word of mouth. Ano yung word of mouth? Ikikwento nyo lang po sa mga kakilala nyo about Live Good. Kayo yung magiging advertisement ni Live Good. Alright? And once you become affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn to the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Mamaya papakita ko yung compensation plan na talagang ma-excite kayo. So again, in a nutshell, ano yung affiliate? Unang-una, you join. You join the affiliate program, and once you join, you start promoting. Yun yung sinasabi kong ikikwento nyo lang. Ano na natin yan second nature na natin yan Kasi pag meron tayong magandang experience, ano ginagawa natin? Kinikwento natin sa mga kakilala natin, di ba? So talagang ano na yan, automatic na sa atin. Pero this time, babayaran ka ni Live Good if you do that. Alright? So join, promote, and earn. Ganun po kasimple ang affiliate marketing. So how do you become an affiliate? Again, register with your sponsors link. Ano ba yung sponsors link? Yung pong nag-invite sa inyo dito na affiliate member na, meron siyang link ibibigay sa inyo. Doon po nyo ilalagay yung first name, last name, and email nyo. And then doon na rin kayo mag-join kasi you need to pay to become an affiliate member. Ano po yung babayaran nyo? One-time fee of $40 plus first month subscription of $9.95, a total of $49.95. Yan yung sinabi ko nung simula. Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. Kayang-kaya po. Kayang-kaya nyo yan at maraming taong kayang-kaya maglabas ng 3,000. Hindi tulad sa ibang company, sisingilin ka 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Excited na excited ka, gusto mo sumali, biglang sasabihin sa iyo, you need 60,000 para makabili ng package. Bigla kang alam mo yon, parang si Batman yung tung. Anyway, dito pa, madali nang makasali, madali pang magpasali. Alright? And then after that, since one time yung $40, the following month, ang babayaran mo na lang $9.95. Yan naman yung $5.80. Yung sinabi kong magtipid ka lang ng 20 araw-araw. Covered na yung subscription mo. Alright, so what do you get out of the $49.95? Yung iba kasi nag-i-expect ng products. Meron po tayong products pero digital products. The way we act, the way we move kasi, since membership club tayo, what you receive is the membership. Unang-una, as a member, makukuha nyo na yung, magkakaroon kayo ng access dun sa online shop whereby mabibili nyo yung products at the member's price. Yung pinakita ko kaninang napakababang presyo. So magkakaroon na kayo na ngayon ng savings. And then, since alam ni Live Good, nakita, nag-affiliate program ka, nag-affiliate member ka, bibigyan ka niya ng tools, digital marketing products, tools and trainings. In fact, ito pong Zoom na to, this is one of the tools that you can use and abuse. Kung hindi pa kayo marunong mag-present, all you need to do, give them the Zoom link, pa-attendin nyo rito, ako magpe-present, ako magko-close, pero yung account sa inyo. Alright? As an affiliate member, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan. All right, this to show you the digital marketing products available. Ayan po. We have 3 main websites. Yung una, yung pinaka-business site natin. Diyan mo makikita lahat ng movement dun sa business mo. Okay? Di ba sabi ko magre-refer tayo ng tao. So lahat ng successfully mare-refer mo, makikita mo dyan. Lahat ng successfully mare-refer nila, makikita mo rin dyan. Yung successfully mare-refer nung na-refer mo, makikita mo rin dyan. Bakit importante yan? Kasi po dito sa Live Good, hindi ka babayaran sa effort mo lang. In fact, makaka-leverage ka dun sa mga taong mai invite mo to join Live Good. Pag personally na-invite mo siya, nagtrabaho siya, kikita ka pa po sa trabaho niya. Pati dun sa mga na-invite niya. Pati dun sa mga na-invite niya. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Ito naman nasa kanan, yan yung sinasabi kong sponsors link, yung tour link natin. Yan yung pinapadala natin dun sa mga gusto natin maging affiliate members din. Diyan sila magre-register, tuloy-tuloy bayad na. Okay? Para maging part ng Live Good. Ito naman nasa baba, sa kaliwa, yan yung ating shop. Online shop. Binibigay naman yan dun sa mga customers na gusto bumili ng products pero ayaw mag-member. Mayaman eh. Di ba? Gusto bilhin at retail. Okay lang yun. Sige, bigay niyo yung link nyo, yung shop link nyo, dyan sila mag-order kasi dyan makikita niya mga retail prices. At ang kagandahan yan, every time na may bumili sa shop link mo, sa personalized shop link mo, meron ka pang kita. By the way, lahat tong mga website na to, andyan yung pangalan mo, personalized sa'yo yan. Alright? And then, initially, yan tatlong website na yan lang ang available when we started. Pero nadagdagan na po, meron na tayong mga product landing page. We have one for Super Reds, another one for Super Greens, at meron din tayo for Magnesium coming up soon. Alright? Nakita nyo, sabi ko kanina, initially, yan tatlo lang ang available, tapos nadagdagan na ng dalawa, magiging tatlo na. Ang tanong, nagbayad pa ba ako ng extra? Hindi na po. Kasi nga, one time lang yung $40. Yun lang po, yung one time pagbabayad ko ng $40. Ang nangyari, monthly na lang yung pagbabayad ko ng $9.95. In fact, hindi na ako nagma-monthly kasi naka-annual na ako eh. Nagbayad ako ng $99.95. Wala nang intindihin. Okay? And yun ang sinasuggest namin sa lahat ng mga members. Mag-annual na po kayo kasi makakatipid na kayo. Hindi nyo pa iintindihin yung subscription nyo. Bakit? Kasi pwede tayong kumita sa subscription. Ang tanong, how to make money in subscriptions? Alright. Sabi ko kanina, makinig kayo maigi kasi ito na po. Pag-uusapan na natin yung compensation plan. Now, our compensation plan is powered by two structures. Yung unang structure is unilevel. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Lahat ng directly marirefer mo sa Live Good, they would fall on your level 1. And unlimited po yan. You can refer 10, 100, 1,000. Kung ilan ang gusto nyong i-refer, pwede po. At babayaran kayo ni Live Good every time na makapag-successfully refer kayo. Ngayon, yung mga mare-refer nung na-refer mo, they would fall on your level 2. That's how a unilevel structure looks like. Yung na-refer mo, they would be on your level 3. And so on and so forth hanggang umabot ng level 10. Bakit level 10? Kasi babayaran kayo ni Live Good up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Yes, mamaya po di-discuss natin yung ranking kasi meron po tayong ranking dito. Sabi ko nga kanina, ina-acknowledge ni Live Good yung mga effort natin, yung mga nagbibigay ng effort by promoting them to the higher rank. And when you get promoted to the higher rank, you get better compensation. Alright? You're opening the doors to more compensation. Alright, yung second structure naman natin is our force matrix. Ano naman yung force matrix? To better explain it, pag naging affiliate member kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong matrix whereby ikaw yung ulo, ikaw yung una. Tapos system assigned to, ang i-assign lang ni system sa iyo sa matrix, 2 tao lang. Okay, tanong mo, sabi mo unlimited yung pwede kong i-invite. Paano mangyayari dun sa iba? Ang gagawin po ni Matrix, i-assign niya yung iba dun sa ilalim nung mga napunta sa ilalim mo. Okay? Basta importante dito, 2 lang bawat tao. Okay? Kaya magmumukhang triangle yan. And ang maganda nito, may matrix kang sarili but you belong to a bigger matrix. Meaning may mga tao sa ibabaw mo. Hindi lang po isa, hindi lang yung directly nag-enroll sa iyo, pero may mga tao pa sa itaas niya, sa itaas niya, at sa itaas nun, at sa itaas nun. Alright? Mamaya ipapakita ko bakit importante kong sinabi yon. Basta tatandaan nyo to, unilevel tsaka matrix, force matrix. Why is this important? Kasi dyan po i-compute yung ating compensation plan. Because here in Live Good, we have 7 ways to earn. Alright? Are you ready? Makinig kayong maigi kasi kitaan na tong pag-uusapan natin. Para makapagpahinga muna kayo sandali, iinom lang ako. Alright. So we have 7 ways to earn and we use the 2 different structure to compute it. Ano yung mga ways na yan? Weekly fast start, retail commission. With this way of earning, ang gagamitin natin yung unilevel structure. Matrix commission, ang gagamitin naman yung force matrix. Bakit meron sa gitnang matching bonus? Kasi yung matching bonus parang hybrid yan. Pinagko-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung matrix to be able to compute for that. At mamaya, pag pinag-uusapan na natin yung matching bonus, makinig kayo maigi. Kasi yung matching bonus yung tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. If you're an OFW right now, yung matching bonus ang magfo-for good sa'yo dito sa Pinas. Alright? Influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool, these are the other sources of income na mamaya i-discuss ko. Alright, tuloy-tuloy na natin. So let's start with our weekly fast start bonus. As the name itself, weekly. Ibig sabihin, weekly mo siyang matatanggap. And fast start, ibig sabihin, mabilis mo siyang matatanggap. Okay, discuss natin. Di ba sinabi ko na as an affiliate, you refer people to the program. Every successful referral you make, you get $25. So just imagine, makadalawang successful referral ka in one week. You get $25 plus $25, $50. Magkano nalabas mo initially? $49.95. So bawi mo kagad yung puhunan mo. At ang maganda niyan, mag-rank up ka na o mapopromote ka na to bronze. Alright? So just think about that. Every time na makapag-refer ka ng tao, may $25 ka. So isang tao, $25. Eh kung 4 yung na-refer mo, $100 agad yan. Eh kung 10 yung na-refer mo in 1 week, that's $250 you would receive in a single week. Alright? Kasi nga unlimited yung pwede mong ma-refer dito eh. And ang maganda nito, hindi ka limited dun sa mga mare-refer mo lang. Pwede kang mag-leverage dun sa mga na-refer mo who would do the business as well because you get to be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Alright? Sabi ko kanina, ayan, na-discuss ko na kanina, pakakuha ka lang ng 2, magbo-bronze ka. Ano importante ng bronze? You get to enjoy up to level 2. Yung ni-refer mo, may kita ka pa. Pag nag-silver ka up to level 3 and 4, yung ni-refer mo, may kita ka pa. Pag nag-gold ka up to levels 5 and 6, pag nag-platinum ka up to level 7 and 8, pag nag-diamond ka, ma-enjoy mo up to level 10. Alright? Kaya napakagandang dito, ma-promote to the highest position, diamond. In fact, meron pa tayong crown diamond. I-discuss ko pa yun mamaya. So based on your rank, hindi lahat nakakatanggap nito. And by the way, ang weekly fast start bonus would be available only for those na magre-refer ng tao dito sa Live Good. Yung magiging affiliate member din, just like you and me. Okay, before I proceed, let me talk about ranking kasi na-open ko na rin lang no? Okay, initially, unranked tayong lahat when we join kasi wala pa tayong nare-refer dito sa Live Good. Or even if may makarefer kang isang tao lang, unranked ka pa rin. Bakit? Kasi ang qualification to be promoted to bronze, 2 personally enrolled. Napakasimple, di ba? Magdagdag ka lang ng isa, kumuha ka lang ng 2, i-join mo dito sa Live Good, they both will pay $49.95. Bukod dun sa nabawi mo yung nilabas mong $50, diba, promoted ka pa to bronze. Alright? And then, next stop is silver. Paano naman maging silver? Ang kailangan mo naman sa silver, 10 personally enrolled or 3 direct bronze rank. with 20 active members. Alam nyo, nung nakita ko to, alam ko na people helping people business to Kasi yung mga nakuha mo, tutulungan mo sila para maging bronze. Diba? Yung bronze, kailangan mong 2. Huwag ka malimit sa 2. Kumuha ka agad ng 3. Kasi if you're vying to become silver, kailangan mo 3 direct na bronze plus 20 active members. Meaning, kailangan lumalaki yung organization mo. Alright? Now, either 10 personally enrolled or 3 dun sa mga nakuha mo nag-bronze. So long as you have 20 active members in your team. And then, next promotion would be gold, 30 naman, 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct silver rank with 100 active members. Ngayon, huwag kayo manula dito kasi andali pong nare-reach ng mga affiliate members sa mga position na yan. Si Platinum po, 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold ranks. Ganito lang po kasimple yan. Mag-invite kayo ng tao, continuously sponsor people to the affiliate program, and then teach them how to do the business. Definitely magra-rank up kayo. Okay? People helping people business. Yan lang po yan. Huwag din po kayo manula dyan. Mukha lang pala yan, pero ang bilis po nagla-rank up ng mga tao dito. Diamond po, right now we have over 14 diamonds in the country. In fact, worldwide, umaabot na po tayo ng 80 diamonds if I'm not mistaken. 3 direct platinum with 2,500 active members. Again, hindi po nakakanula yan. Ang dami pong naka-reach niyan within 3 months, within 2 months. Yung iba nga, world record talaga. Within days, nare-reach nila yung diamond rank. Alright? And then we have Crown Diamond rank. 50,000 active members. Doable po yan. Kasi ngayon po we have 2 Crown Diamond. Yung unang Crown Diamond natin, si Tim Miller is from the USA. Yung pangalawang Crown Diamond natin, talagang magiging proud kayo kasi isa siyang Pilipino. Kung sino po yung nagsimula dito, our Coach Fernan Santiago, siya po yung pangalawang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. At ngayon po, 2 pa lang sila. So reachable, doable, kayang-kaya po nating mag-rank up. All we need to do is talagang put an effort in inviting people to join Live Good. Alright? Ngayon yung iba, ito yung tinitignan, yung monthly matrix commission. Sige, didiscuss ko lang monthly matrix commission. In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. But it is much better when you enroll people to the program. Dito nga po, for the monthly matrix commission, all you need to do is subscribe. Continuously pay for your subscription. At para hindi nyo naiintindihin, magbayad na kayo ng 1 taon. And then you wait. Wait po, kasi hindi naman talaga automatic yan. Hindi po agad-agad na pag-subscribe mo, matatanggap nyo na yung $2,047.50. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to have patience and wait. And continuously subscribe. Paulit-ulit tayo nga. Because when you do that, you would start earning through the matrix commission. So paano ba yung matrix commission? Remember, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung ating matrix, yung ating force matrix, whereby it's system assigned, tapos may tao sa taas mo. And if yung tao sa taas mo decided to do is doing the business, ang laki ng chances na magkakaroon ka ng spillover. Alright? And then ikaw, if you're doing the business, definitely mapupunta sa matrix mo yan. Yung mga taong napunta dun sa matrix mo, if they do the business, lahat ng mare-refer nila, nasa matrix mo pa rin kasi they are inside your matrix. Now, whether galing sa'yo, galing dun sa nasa taas mo, spill over sa'yo, or dun sa mga trabaho ng mga na-leverage mo, dun sa mga trabaho ng mga nakuha mo, kahit saan pa manggaling yan, so long as they fall in your matrix, you will be paid 25 cents. Okay? Every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo, 25 cents. So baka naliliitan naman kayo. Ano ba yan? 25 cents? Ang liit naman. Pakita lang sa inyo yung itsura ng matrix. Power of two lang po yan kasi dalawa lang ang pwedeng makabit sa tao, sa isang tao, di ba? So let's say for example, yan, ikaw si Orange Man, tapos lahat ng blue men are the people in your matrix. So ikaw, kinabitan ni system ng dalawa, tapos yung dalawang nasa ilalim mo, kinabitan ng Tagalawa, so that's 4. And then yung apat, kinabitan ng Tagalawa, that's 8. And then 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8, 2, 5, 6. Multiples of 2 lang po. Right? And I'm telling you, pag napuno po yung matrix na yan, ang daming tao niyan. Kaya yung 25 cents po, lumalaki na rin. Alright? And in fact, dito po nanggaling yung you can earn up to 2,047.50 without enrolling a single soul. Kasi if you're unranked, ano nga po uli yung unranked? Yan yung wala pa nare-refer or isa pa lang yung na-refer, di ba? If you're unranked, you'll still be paid in your matrix commission up to 12 levels deep. And pag napuno po yan 12 levels na yan, umaabot po ng 8,192 people in your organization. Multiply that by 25 cents, dun po na-derive yung $2,047.50. Month after month after month. Bakit? Kasi kukunin po yan dun sa mga nagbabayad ng kanilang $9.95 subscription. And because of the value that they are receiving through paying their subscription, most likely hindi po sila titigil magbayad ng subscription nila. And if they're doing the business, definitely kumikita sila. Hindi na po talaga sila titigil magbayad ng kanilang mga subscription. Kaya tuloy-tuloy na po yung kita na yan. Alright? Now, hindi nyo po kailangan punuin yung 12 levels before you start earning. In fact, magkaroon ka lang ng isa, babayaran ka na 25 cents. Dalawa, 50. And just imagine, pag nagkaroon ng 40 na tao sa matrix mo, binabayaran ka na ni Livegood ng $10. Magkano yung monthly subscription? $9.95. So parang you're already, your business is actually paying for its own. Kasi yung kita mo na, yung ginagamit mo, pambayad ng subscription mo. At palaki lang po ng palaki yan. Padami lang ng padami. Ang tanong, kailan naman mapupuno yan 12 levels na yan? Ang pinakamadaling kasagutan po dyan, hindi natin masabi. Pwede siyang mabilis, pwede siyang magtagal. At pwede siyang napakatagal. Kaya po kailangan talaga dito, you have to be patient. Kung talagang hindi mo gagawin yung negosyo, ayaw mong gawin yung negosyo, pero gusto mong kumita, be patient. Continuously subscribe, wait. And samahan mo na rin ang dasal na sana magkaroon ka ng tao sa matrix mo. But I'm telling you, mapupuno at mapupuno po yan kasi magkakaroon ng spillovers. Alright? At sa laki ng vision, sa laki ng projection ni Ben Glinsky, imagine, lahat po ng mga sasali after us, they would just be put under us. Mapupunta lang sila sa ilalim natin sa matrix. So most likely po, magkakaroon talaga tayo ng mga spillover. At darating yung time, mapupuno po yan 12 levels deep na yan. However, if you really want na mapabilis yan, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mapabilis yan para ma-start nyo na talagang kitain yung pinangakong kikitain nyo. Do the business, refer people. 'Di ba? Kasi if you refer people, unang-una, mapopromote ka to next rank. Pag naging bronze or silver ka, aabot ka na ng level 13. Yung 2,047.50 na matrix income mo, magiging 4,095.50 na doble agad. Pag gold or platinum ka, up to level 14, magiging 8,191.50 na yung iyong matrix income. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to level 15. That's 16,383.50. Magkano yan in peso? 900,000 peso. Month after month after month after month. Okay? Ngayon, sinabi ko, tumulong po kayo mapabilis yung pagpuno ng matrix nyo. Paano po yan? Unang-una, mag-invite kayo ng dalawa. Tapos yung dalawang nakuha nyo, turuan yung mag-invite din ng dalawa. Kumuha rin ng dalawa. Bakit? Kasi ganito mangyayari sa inyo yan. Una, ikaw, nakapagpasok ka ng dalawa. Tapos yung dalawa na pasok mo, kumuha ng Tagalawa, that's 4. Tapos yung 4 kumuha ng Tagalawa, that's 8. Kung weekly mangyayari to, 12 weeks pa lang po. umaabot na ng 8,000, puno na yung matrix nyo, 8,192. Okay? And if you continuously do that, hindi ka tumigil sa pag-invite ng dalawa, nung nakita mong kumikilos na yung dalawa, kumuha ka uli ng bagong dalawa. Tapos tinuruan mo ulit, kumuha ng dalawa. And then kumuha ka uli ng bagong dalawa, tinuruan mo na naman, kumuha ka uli ng bagong dalawa. Aabot kayo sa diamond. And dito sa example na to, 15 weeks pa lang, puno na yung 15 levels na matrix. Okay? That is provided na maduduplicate ka talaga at hindi titigil. Magiging kultura na dun sa organization nyo na pag may bagong sali, automatic, first week kukuha ng dalawa. Yan po yung kagandahan ng talagang people helping people business. Kumbaga ikaw, bago ka, ang pinakatulong mo mapuno yung matrix, kukuha ko ng dalawa ko. Tsaka tuturuan ko yung dalawang nakuha ko, kumuha rin ng tagalawa. Alright? So ganyan lang po, wag bang instead of just waiting, instead of just praying na sana magkaroon ka ng tao sa matrix mo, ikaw ang maglagay ng tao sa matrix mo. At hindi ko naman sinasabing ikaw ang maglagay ng 8,190 people. All I'm asking you is to put 2 and then teach those 2 to put 2. Ganun lang po. At ituloy-tuloy lang yan. Gawing kultura lang dun sa inyong organization. Mapupuno at mapupuno yung matrix nyo. Alright? Now, that's just the matrix bonus. Sabi ko kanina, ang pakikinggan nyo yung matching bonus. Kasi ito yung magtutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Alright? Remember, sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong uni-level, meron tayong force matrix. Every time, pag sumali ka rito, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix, di ba? Therefore, lahat ng isasali mo, magkakaroon din sila ng sarili nilang matrix. Pag may sarili silang matrix, meron silang matrix income. Ito maganda. For every, kung magkano yung tatanggapin nila sa matrix income nila, ima-match ni LiveGood 50% and LiveGood will pay that to you as matching bonus kasi it's a reward because ikaw yung nagyaya sa kanila na makasali sa LiveGood. Ikaw yung nag-refer. You're the reason why they are doing LiveGood. Alright? 50% matching bonus. Ganyan po. Matatanggap nila ng buo yung kanilang matrix income, meron ka pang 50%. Okay, sample. Nakapag-invite ka ng 4, si A, si B, si C, saka si D. Si A, kumikita na ng 1,000 sa kanyang matrix. Matrix income niya is 1,000. Meron kang 500, 50%. Si B, 500 na yung kita sa matrix, may 250 ka. Si C, 100 yung kita sa matrix, may $50 ka. And si D, 200 yung kinikita, may 100 ka. Ang maganda nito, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-invite dito. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-invite dito. Mas marami kang ma-invite dito, mas marami kang matrix income. Matching bonus. Mas marami kang ma-invite, mas marami kang matching bonus. So just imagine this. Kung 10 yan, 10 yung na-invite mo. Sige, pagpalagay na lang natin 100 lang ang kinikita nila sa kanilang matrix income. Kasi bago pa lang silang lahat eh. Magkano yung 50% ng 100? $50. 10 sila. That's $500. Palaki lang ng palaki yan. Padami lang ng padami ang matrix nila. So palaki lang din ng palaki yung matching bonus mo. And we're just talking about 10. Kung 100 yan, do the math. Napakalaki po ng matching bonus. At ang maganda nito, hindi ka pa limited dun sa mga na-invite mo lang kasi meron tayong tinatawag na generation bonuses. In fact, so sa personally enrolled mo, meron kang 50%. If somewhere in your organization, biglang may nag-silver and silver ka na rin, meron kang silver matching. Up to 2nd generation yan. And then pag gold na, up to 3rd generation, 5% each. Pag platinum, up to 4th generation. Pag nag-diamond ka, 3% each, up to 5th generation yung matatanggap mo. Alright? Now, let me show that in monetary value. Let's say for example, so sa first generation mo, direct sponsor mo, nakadirect ka ng 10. Okay, so may 10 dun sa team mo. Ngayon, yung 10 yan, kumikita na lang ng $100 kunyari sa kanilang Matrix income, may 50% ka, that's 50. 10 sila, that's $500. Diba? Yun yung sample ko kanina. Ngayon, yung 10, ginaya ka, kumuha rin ng tag-10. So, nadagdagan ng 100 sa team mo. Silver ka na niyan, umabot, that's your second generation. 100 na lang din kunyari yung matrix income nila. May 10% ka pa, that's $10. 100 sila, that's $1,000 matching bonus for you. Yung 100, kumuha pa ng tag-10. That's an additional 1,000 in your group. Gold ka na niyan. Third generation mo, 1,000 people. $50 na lang kunyari yung kanilang matrix income. May 5% ka, $2.50 lang yon. Kaso 1,000 sila eh. So that's $2,500. And then, yung 1,000 na huling sumali dun sa organization mo, kumuha ng tag-5. So nadagdagan ng 5,000 in your team. You're already platinum. That's your fourth generation. $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix. May 5% ka pa. That's $250. That's a total of 12,500 kasi 5,000 people yung minamatch mo. Alright? And then yung 5,000, kumuha rin ng tag-5. That's 25,000 additional in your team. You're already a diamond and it's already your fifth generation. $30, pinaliit pa, $30 na lang kunyari yung matrix income. Meron kang 3%, that's 90 cents. 25,000 sila, that's 22,500. Now, tuloy-tuloy lang yan kasi yung mga taong yan, tuloy-tuloy lang din nagbabayad ng subscription. In fact, palaki pa ng palaki yan. Dito sa sample natin, $100 lang yan eh. Diba? Pero tignan nyo yung monthly income nyo, umaabot na ng $39,000. Alright? So kung hindi kayo naniniwala, what I did, nanghiram ako ng kita. Nanghiram ako ng kita ng iba just to show you. But before I do, I just want to make a disclaimer. I'm not going to do this to hype you or to impress upon you na talagang assured income to. Hindi po. In fact, disclaimer, unang-una, kinita to. Yun totoo. Pero kikitain mo ba? Posible kung gagawin mo ng tama yung negosyo. In fact, posible mo pang lagpasan. Pero posible ring mas mababa kitain mo kung hindi mo naman tatrabahuhin. Pero I know this coach talagang tinrabaho niya ng gusto yung Live Good. Okay? So pakita ko na. I just want you to compare yung kanyang matrix tsaka yung kanyang matching bonus. This is June pa to ha. So 6 months ago, medyo mas malaki na talaga. Mas malaki niya dyan definitely yung natatanggap niya. Yung matrix niya is only 1,388 pero look at the matching bonus. $12,367. 12 times more nung kanyang matrix. Bakit? Ang dami niya kasing direct. And because ang dami niyang direct, diamond na siya. Ayan may diamond bonus pool na. Meron na siyang diamond bonus pool, hindi ko pa dinidiscuss. Okay? And then July 1,299 yung matrix. Look at the matching. 44,810. Imagine, 44 times. Ganyan po kalaki yung matching bonus. Kaya sinabi ko kanina, kung OFW ka, gusto mo nang mag-for good, ito yung trabahuhin mo, yung matching bonus. And to tell you, ang makakatanggap lang po ng matching bonus are those who are doing the business, are those who are referring people to the program. Kaya ano yung key? Mag-refer ng tao sa Live Good. Alright? And mapopromote ka lang. Dire-diretso lang yung promotion mo. In fact, ito, by June, na siya, kitang-kita, crown diamond na siya. Kasi yung diamond bonus po niya, umabot na ng 24,000. Alright, pakita ko lang yung lakas or yung laki ng matching bonus. Let's say, for example, meron kang 20 directs. Unlimited naman yung pwede mo mai-direct dito eh. Pero let's say, for example, 20 na lang yung nakuha mo. Tapos yung 20 mo, hindi nag-refer. Therefore, unranked sila. Pero eventually, in time, paulit-ulitin ko yan, in time, napuno yung matrix nila. So yung matrix income nila, umaabot na ng 2,047.50. Eh di ba may 50% ka, that's 1,023.75. 20 sila. That's $20,475 for you. Monthly income mo yan. That's 1.1 million peso monthly income. 20 directs lang, hindi pa nagtrabaho. Alright? Kaya mas maganda, turuan mo silang magtrabaho. Sabi mo, kumuha rin kayo ng 20 directs nyo. Alright? Kasi pag nagtrabaho sila, definitely, mas malaki yan. Tapos you get to enjoy generation bonuses pa. Okay. And then, let's say for example, 30 directs yung nakuha mo. Ito, medyo masipag kasi umabot ng 6,000 yung kanilang earnings sa kanilang matrices. 50% sa'yo, that's 3,000. 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly income for you. That's 5 million peso month after month after month after month. Kung ganyan na po kalaki yung kita nyo, hindi nyo lang nabayaran yung utang nyo, baka pati utang ng kapitbahay nyo, nabayaran nyo na rin. Hindi nyo lang natupad yung dreams nyo, dreams ng family nyo. And just imagine yung giving nyo. Yung giving nyo, yung tithes nyo, ang laki na. 500,000 na. Na, yun yung precious. Yun yung talagang priceless when you're able to help other people. And yung mga nadala mo, yung 30 directs mo, definitely, pati buhay nila, nabago na. Kasi they're doing the business eh. They're most likely enjoying what you're enjoying. Okay, there would be people na sasabihin sa'yo, sige, pagbibigyan lang kita, sasali ako dyan, tapos magsusubscribe ako, pero don't expect me to do anything. Okay, tanggapin mo. Pero sabihin mo, bigyan mo ako ng favor. Actually, do this as a favor for you and me. Instead na ikaw lang, ipasok mo 2 member ng family mo. Bakit? Unang-una, magbo-bronze ka. Pag nag-bronze ka, napuno yung matrix mo, ang kikitain mo, 4,095. Ngayon, yung 2 family member mo, tag 2,047.50 yan, magkano silang dalawa? 4,095. And then, may 50% ka pang income doon kasi may matching bonus ka, 2,047.50. Pag tinotal mo yan, that's 10,238. That's 500,000 pesos. Eh kung nag-iisa ka, 2,047.50 lang yung maximum na marireceive mo eh. Eh di isama mo na yung 2. Di ba? Kalahating milyon na yung marireceive mo. Monthly income yan. Alright? I'm telling you, if you suggest this tapos ginawa niya, talagang pasasalamatan ka ng kaibigan mo. Now here in our group, Dreammakers Worldwide, meron tayong vision. Ang vision natin, lahat tayo magda-diamond. Lahat tayo may 100 solid direct. Ano yung solid direct? Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo mag-diamond, lahat yung 100 na nakuha mo, magda-diamond din. And time will come, mapupuno yung matrix nating lahat. Lahat tayo diamond, kumikita tayong lahat ng $16,383.50 sa ating matrix. Okay? 100 yung direct mo, lahat sila diamond, pati ikaw diamond. Meron kang 50%, that's 8,191.75. 100 sila. That's $819,175 month after month after month. Magkano yan in peso? 45 million peso monthly income po yan. So you see, matching bonus is unlimited. And the only way you can receive matching bonus if you do direct referral. So talagang ang suggestion namin dito, do direct referral pero wag mo silang iwanan agad kasi turuan mo sila on how to do the business as well. Diba? Para lahat tayo lumalaki. People helping people business. Let's help each other. Now, the key here is to rank up. And the key to rank up is to have as many directs as you can. Pero may simple way. Yung kanina pinakita ko, get to, teach them to get to, then repeat. Pampapuno lang ng matrix yon. Pero if you want to rank up, dagdagan mo lang ng isa. Get 3. Teach them to get 3. Alright? Ano mangyayari sa organization mo? Una, nag-iisa ka, kumuha ka ng 3, tapos yung 3 kinuha mo, kumuha ng 3, nadagdagan ng 9. And then yung 9, nadagdagan ng tagatlo, 27, 81, 243, and so on. On the 7th week, provided this happens weekly, on the 7th week, diamond ka. Kasi ilan yung kailangan sa diamond? 2,500. Ilan na yung tao sa organization mo? 3,279. Di ba? On the 10th week, crown diamond ka. Because all you need for Crown Diamond is 50,000 members. On the 10th week, meron ka ng 88,000 members. That is provided na ma-duplicate ka, talagang linggo-linggo, lahat ng bago kumukuha ng tagatlo. Alright? So ganun lang talaga. Tulungan lang dito. Tulungan. Walang iwanan. Kasi yung iba, instead na tumulong, maghihintay na lang eh. Let's not make that a practice. Instead talagang let's share Live Good. Let's bless many people through Live Good. Alright? So, ayan po. Ito pa, other means of income, retail commission. Di ba nakita nyo kanina merong retail price, may members price. Pag sinubtract mo po yon, retail price minus members price, kunin mo yung 50% nun, yan yung retail commission mo. So every time na may tao bibili dun sa shop mo, dun sa online shop mo at retail price, ganun lang ang gagawin ni system. I-deduct yung retail price sa members price tapos 50% nun ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? And unlimited yan. Kung ilan yung bibili sa'yo, marireceive mo yung 50% nun. Yung retail commission mo. Tapos 10 levels deep din yan depending sa rank mo. Parang si Fast Start, ganun din yung pagkaka-breakdown niyan. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Darating yung time, hindi mo na kilala, hindi na ikaw yung nagbenta, hindi mo nakilala actually yung nagbenta. Pero since may pumasok sa kanilang retail sales, and nasa ilalim mo sila, nanggaling sila dun sa somewhere down the line at galing sila sa iyo, may kita ka pa so long as it's in your 10 levels. Alright? Ang tawag po dyan leveraging at ang tawag dyan passive income. Bakit? Kasi wala ka ng participation sa business pero kumikita ka pa rin. Alright. Tapos meron din tayong influencer bonus. Ano ba yung mga influencer? Yan yung mga sikat na sa TikTok tsaka sa YouTube. May mga followers na yan. All they need to do, sabihin nila sa followers nila, bumili kayo ng kape. At dito kayo bumili sa shop ko. Diba? So just imagine, meron kang 1 million follower. Okay, lagay na lang natin sa 10,000 yung nagbumili. 10%. Ay, hindi pa nga 10% eh. 10,000 na lang kunyari yung sumunod sa'yo. Pero if they're really followers, they will follow you. Lahat ng sabihin mo, susundin nila. Ngayon, pag tumataas yung retail sales mo, yung 50% na sinabi ko kanina, dadagdagan. Halimbawa, umabot ng $2,500 yung retail sales mo for 1 month, dadagdagan ng 10%, making it 60. Tapos pataas lang ng pataas yan. Pag 5,000, 20 yung idadagdag. Pag 10, 30 yung idadagdag. Pag 25,000, 40 yung idadagdag. Pag 50,000, ibibigay na sa iyo yung buong difference. Kasi yung 50% mo, dadagdagan pa ng 50%, making it 100%. So you get the whole difference of retail price and the member's price. Diba? So may kita dito. For those who are influencer, those who have followers in YouTube and TikTok, try this. Mag-video ka lang na nagtitimpla ka ng kape, tapos you talk about the benefits you'll get in drinking coffee, and then invite them all to buy coffee from your shop, kikita ka, malaki. Alright. So again, sinabi ko ang importante dito, mag-rank up ka all the way to Diamond. Bakit? Si Diamond po, meron tinatawag na Diamond Bonus Pool. Ano po yan? Para siyang profit sharing. Meaning, lahat ng kinita ni Live Good from all over the world, coming from affiliate fees, from subscription, from sales of the products, lahat po yan ito total. Tapos yung total niyan, kukurot ng 2%. Yung 2% na yon, paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng Diamond as their Diamond Bonus Pool. Yan yung totoong passive income kasi wala na talaga silang kinalaman dun sa income na yon. Income na ng company yun eh. Binigyan lang sila. Okay? Magkano yan? Baka naman maliit lang yan. Just imagine, palaki lang po kasi ng palaki yung income ng company. So even if dumadami yung Diamond, hindi pa rin po bumababa yung kanilang Diamond Bonus Pool. In fact, yung Diamond Bonus Pool po, nag-a-average ng anywhere from 4,000 to 6,000 monthly. Imagine, 200 plus to 300 plus thousand pesos monthly. Extra income na yun. Diba? And all you did was become diamond. Now, pag crown diamond ka na, meron ka ng share dun sa 2%, meron ka pang additional na 0.5%. Ngayon po, dadalawa lang yung crown diamond natin sa buong mundo. And just imagine this. Let's say, for example, 10 million na lang, kunyari, ang kinita ng company. Let's say 10 million na lang ang kinita ng company. Magkano yung 0.5%? That's $50,000. Dalawa silang naghahati. That's $25,000 each. Alright? Nakita nyo naman kanina eh. Yan. Nakita niya kanina na, 'di ba, yung Crown Diamond kanina, kumikita ng 20,000 plus. Diyan po 'yan sa Crown Diamond niya. Alright? Now, ito maganda. This is the good news for all of us, actually, even me. Lahat yung mga Crown Diamond na yan, lahat yung mga Diamond na yan, they all started as affiliate members, just like you and me. Ano ibig sabihin yan? We are on equal grounds. Lahat tayo may chance to become diamonds. Lahat tayo may chance to become Crown Diamonds. Kasi lahat sila nagsimula dun eh. Pero sila umabot sa pagiging crown and pagiging diamond and crown diamond. Ang maganda niyan, they're very generous in sharing kung ano ginawa nila, bakit sila naging crown diamond. All we need to do, listen and learn from them and do what they did. Follow them. Diba? Gaya-gaya lang, replicate. Sabi nga, monkey see, monkey do. Monkey you. Alright? Anyway, ito ba? If you're not a member yet, maybe this can help. 4 reasons for you to join. Number 1, we just officially launched. 1 year pa lang po tayo ngayon, pero umaabot na tayo ng 930,000 members. In fact, before the year ends, aabot tayo ng 1 million. And we're just starting. Just imagine, saan tayo pupulutin after 2 years, 3 years. Ang projection nga ni Ben, in 2 years, instead na from 1 million maging 2 million, possible maging 4 million members tayo eh. Or even 5 million. Alright? Ganyan po ka-importante yung we just started. Okay? And that's a very good reason for you to join. Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. Nakita nyo naman kanina yung quality ng products natin, pati yung presyo. Wala po kayong pagsisisihan dito kasi talaga napakamura, napakaganda ng quality. Pwede na po tayo maging healthy. Number 3, marketing system tools and trainings. Yes, every day meron tayong Zoom. Every Monday meron tayong local training. Every Thursday and Friday meron tayong international training. Our corporate team are the one conducting it. And the top earners are there, sharing what they know, sharing their wisdom, sharing their knowledge. All you need to do is plug in, stay in. Una, you get in, become an affiliate member, and then plug in, stay in, and definitely you would explode. There's no way but up. Correct? And then lastly, a simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. Nakita nyo naman po kung gaano kalakas magbayad si Livegood sa mga affiliate members niya if they are doing the business. Very, very lucrative. Alright. Kaya nga po, ano pa lang tayo eh. You've seen, I mentioned 930,000 paid members in less than a year or in 1 year. I'm telling you, we're just beginning. We're just on the tip of the iceberg. We haven't even scratched the surface yet. And this is the perfect time for you to join. At kung naka-join ka na, please, huwag niyong pabayaan yung subscription nyo. Make sure that you pay your subscription. At para maging sigurista ka, mag 1 year ka na, nakatipid ka na, worry-free ka ba? Hindi ka pa may stress. If you're not a member yet, become an affiliate member now. Kasi nga yung 930,000 members, napakaliit po niyan compared dun sa vision natin dito sa Livegood. Kasi time will come, I don't know, maybe in 5 years, in 10 years, aabot po tayo ng 200 million, 300 million, 500 million members. Now, guess what? Pasimula pa lang tayo ngayon. Pag ikaw nakaposisyon na at panghawakan mo yung posisyon na yan, gawin mo yung negosyo, guess what? Yung 200 million na members na yan, mapupunta lang yan sa ilalim mo. And you know what they say? Those who believe first are the ones who benefits first. So, time to join is now. Okay? Pero still, the choice is yours. The choice is yours. Hindi po namin tatanggalin yung karapatan yung mamili. Baka naman gusto nyo yung buhay nyo ngayon at wala kayong gustong baguhin. Okay lang. However, if you find something na you want a change in your life, you have to make a choice to change. Okay? Kasi, posibleng ito ka ngayon. So, these are your choices, di ba? Pwede mong piliin letter A, I'm in. And that's a very good choice. Okay? If you choose that, you just have to register, pay the $49.95 and then stay in, get in, plug in, stay in. Makinig ka ng training, matuto ka, and then start doing the business. Share it to as many people as you can. Okay? O baka naman ito ka, letter B ka, shop at members price. Gusto ko lang mag-shop ng members price, yung mas mababang presyo. Okay lang yun. Instead of paying $49.95, you pay $9.95, yung monthly subscription. And then you get to access the products at members price. Alright? Or pwedeng ito ka rin. No thanks. Okay pa rin po yun. Friends pa rin po tayo. But I would highly recommend for you to use the products kasi napakaganda po niya talaga. At napakamura naman eh. Wala ka rin namang masasayang, di ba? So you just have to ask for the shop link of the one who invited you here. At doon ka na umorder. Di ba? Kasi siya naman yung nag-open ng opportunity sa iyo eh. Alright? So either kahit ano dyan ang piliin nyo, okay lang po sa amin because the choice is yours. But let me help you make a decision. Eto. If this can be you right now, if you can relate to this, overwork ka, underpaid, financially unsecured, or well-paid ka nga, wala ka naman time, or OFW ka, nangungulila ka sa family mo. Ito question, kasi lahat yan active income eh. Meaning pag nag-retire ka, wala na yan, wala na lahat yan. Ang tanong, what awaits you when you retire? Diba? Medyo nakakatakot na tanong. Pero it's a reality. It's something that you have to really prepare for. Now, I want you to imagine. Imagine if you do live good today. You decide today, magli-live good ako. Tapos lahat ng ituro sa'yo, gawin mo. Gawin mo lang ng gawin. Gawin mo lang ng gawin. Where will you be in the coming years? Actually, not anymore in the coming years. In the near future, you'll have more income than bills at the end of each month. Hindi mo na po problemahin yung bills mo. Hindi mo na tataguan yung mga kolektor. Di ba? Kasi may pera ka ng pambayad sa kanila. Baka nga unahan mo pa bago pa dumating yung bills, binabayaran mo na yung mo eh. Yung binabayaran mo na sila eh. Okay, you'll have more time spent with your family and friends. Why? Because you're not worried about your income. And you not just have quality time, talagang quantity time. You'll have more time with your friends. And family, very important. You'll have the freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Ang tanungan nga dito, saan tayo magtatrabaho ngayon? Tara, punta tayong Batangas, doon tayo mag-work. Not that you have to, pero what I'm saying is you can work anywhere because online tayo eh. You can work from home actually if you want to. And then finally, you'll have a life without debt. Mababayaran mo na lahat ng utang mo. At ang maganda nito, pag bayad na lahat ng utang mo, napakagaan mo nang magbigay. Alright? Which is priceless. Take vacation as often as you like. Okay, why am I sharing you this? I'm sharing you this because this can be your reality in the future when you do live good. Sinabi ko nga kanina, live good is the solution to whatever struggles you're experiencing right now. However, the decision is yours. But let me help you kasi every day we're faced with different decisions. In fact, pagising pa lang natin, nag-decide na tayo eh whether babangon na tayo o hindi pa. Now, some decisions sometimes worsen our life. Some decision, yung decision wala akong gagawin, yun, medyo walang pagbabago rin sa buhay natin. But there are decisions that may change your life for the better. Okay? Now, Live Good is a vehicle. Vehicle lang po si Live Good. It is just a means. But Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. Now you are faced with a decision whether to do Live Good or not. I'm telling you, the best decision is to do Live Good if you want to change your life for the better. Alright? So sa lahat ng guests po natin, balikan nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo, hingin nyo yung sponsors link, mag-register kayo, tuloy-tuloy nyo na pagbabayad ng $49.95 para finally affiliate member na rin kayo. At mag-start na rin kayo mag-invite habang may promo tayo. Tuloy-tuloy pa po to hanggang sa katapusan ng buwan. Magkakaroon po tayo ng drawing by January 5 whereby one will win $10,000 and then another will win $50,000. Anong kailangan lang? Makapag-sponsor lang po ng dalawa. Pasok ka na dyan sa dalawang drawing. Kasi yung unang na-sponsor mo qualifies you for the 10,000 draws. And yung pangalawa and onward na mai-enroll mo will qualify you an entry for the $50,000 drawing. Okay? All right. So that's it. That's it for my presentation. But before I leave, I just want to remind you na itong Zoom natin is every day. And by tomorrow, you'll have two of the best speakers we have, Coach Rene and Coach Hans. Okay? Kung gusto nyong ulitin tong presentation na to, suggest na attend tomorrow. Kung meron kayong invite, hindi nakapunta ngayon, invite nyo ulit tomorrow kasi tuloy-tuloy lang po yung ano natin. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yung Zoom meeting natin. Okay, with that, I would like to say thank you so much for